Hello, in this video I will show you how to use my latest plugin, uh, demo My WordPress plugin that will allow you to create demo environments for your themes or plugins or simply your WordPress settings or anything else. This will create a new installation of WordPress that you can define by a template, and the visitors will have the option to create these new sandboxes of WordPress and use them and configure them, and they will expire and get automatically deleted after a period of time you define in plugin settings. So let's go ahead and go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, navigate the zip file you downloaded and click install now. Notice that the plugin will run only on multi-site network installations. So by default it will not run. You have to configure your WordPress as a multi-site. Please search on Google install WordPress multi-site uh, to get information on how to install WordPress using multi-site installation. Okay, now that we installed our plugin on this multi-site testing install, this appeared here. You will see that the plugin will have a CAPTCHA user email address to send the URL to user's email address, to add no index tag to demo pages, automatically delete pages after a period of time, and enable logging. So to start using the demo, you have to use this shortcode in one of your websites. So let's go, and I already added it into this post. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is how it looks by default. Let's add 4. Note that I'm logged in as admin right now, but let's click create demo, and a new WordPress installation is created. This is the new demo environment for the plugin. As you can see, it's for a new user is created that is admin only on this page. It is not a super admin, and a new page is also created for the user. Okay, now let's log out of this account and head back to our super admin account. Okay, now let's go to the network admin and let's go ahead and configure the plugin a bit more. You can disable the CAPTCHA. If you disable the CAPTCHA, let's check the site. Then the shortcode will generate only the create demo button. If you re-enable the CAPTCHA and enable also the send demo URL to user's email address, click save settings and refresh the page, then you will see that the shortcode generates also an email address drop the input field and the CAPTCHA. So let's and here let's enter an email address. Let's check our mail and click create demo. A message will be sent that email was sent. Okay, and email returned. click here to log in, and as you can see, the same demo environment is created for the user. Also, the nice thing is that if you go to the activity and logging section, sorry, I forgot to that I'm logged in not as admin but as a user right now. You have to log out each time when you create a demo account and want to edit plugin settings, because it will confuse you. So log out of the account you created and log into super admin. Also note that the email list will be created for the plugin installation. So each email that was entered, it will be listed here. And because of this, you will be able to create a email list using this plugin. Okay. So this is for I forgot one thing, that you also can go to settings, network settings, and the plugin will add this part for the network settings. In this part you can configure what you want to show for newly created network websites. So if you check these checkboxes, the users will see these parts of WordPress. So if you uncheck here everything, the user won't see anything in WordPress. It will be given a plain WordPress installation without any option. So let's uncheck this all and see this in action. So like this you can restrict the access of demo users for the website. So let's uncheck everything and save settings. Now we can go ahead and let's create a website. Let's not go with the email, but rather with a simpler direct approach right now. Refresh it, create demo, and as you can see now the user has no options in here, only some caching settings that another plugin is providing, but options provided by other plugins are not customizable by this plugin. So as you can see, it has no options here. Okay, for now this is all. I will be back with more updates for this plugin. I hope you will enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye.